Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Vertex AI endpoints for prediction from Python. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Vertex AI endpoints for prediction from Python, begin by setting up your Google Cloud project. Ensure that you have billing enabled for your Google Cloud project. Install the required Google Cloud libraries in your Python environment using pip. Open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command pip install Google Cloud A platform. Next, create a service account in your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the I am an admin section and click on Service Accounts. Click on Create Service Account and follow the prompts to set it up. Once created, you need to grant this service account the necessary permissions for Vertex AI. Add the role Vertex AI user to the service account. Now, generate a key for your service account by clicking on Keys and then Add Key. Select JSON as the key type and download the key file. Move the downloaded JSON key file to your Python project directory. In your Python script, import the necessary libraries for authentication. Use the following code to set the environment variable for the service account key. Python import osos.environ google_application_credentials equals path / your /service _account _key.json. Next, import the Vertex AI library. You can do this with the command from google.cloud import a platform. Initialize the Vertex AI client with your project and location. Use the format aplatform.init, project equals your _project _ID, location equals your _location. Now, specify the endpoint you wish to use for predictions. You can retrieve the endpoint information using the aplatform endpoint method. Once you have the endpoint, prepare the input data for your prediction request. Convert your input data into the format required by your model. Now, send the prediction request to the endpoint with the following code. Python response equals endpoint.predict, instances satface input _data. Finally, print the response to see the prediction result. Ensure to handle any exceptions that may arise during the prediction process. You have now successfully authorized Vertex AI endpoints for prediction from Python. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.